All right. The reason why I'm doing this little tutorial right now is because a lot of people have been asking me how do I convert a plugin from one Unreal Engine version to another one. So for this example, I am going to be migrating the GUID Fixer um, plugin, right? So if we go to the marketplace, we can see that it's only available for version 5.0, sorry. And if I try to install it on any of my other engines, which I have 4.27 and 5.1, this wouldn't work. So what I did is I went directly to this GitHub page and well, I pretty much have it right here. So I downloaded this it from the actual source of the other modification on GitHub, which was this one. Um, so I went to the one that it's not even available in the marketplace, which is for 4.21. Now I downloaded this one into this folder right here. So I have the master. Um, and this is not Unreal Engine 4.27 or 5.1 available. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use this one as an example. So you go to your VS Code if you downloaded the code, or if you downloaded the binary, you can run it directly from the executable. It's Windows only. Once you run it, you'll be welcomed with this little screen. So we want to convert this to Unreal Engine 4.27. So I'm going to go to the My Program Files, Epic Games, 4.27. Now, you just have to select the root of your actual engine installation. And once you have that, you will have to select the origin of the plugin, which in this case, I have it right here in this here, right? So I have the U plugin file selected. I select that, and then I'm going to select the output folder for this, which is going to be Unreal Engine plugins. Now, if I hit select folder and begin the begin plugin migration, this would actually execute the Epic Games pre-provided tools, but in an easier manner, so you don't have to write anything, any commands or stuff like that. This will do the process more automated. So this will take a couple minutes to compile, but once you have that, you will be getting a build successful and this little window that says that your plugin was migrated successfully. Now, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to the Unreal plugins, and then I can see that it's been migrated. So I'm just going to grab this folder that says migrated, and I'm going to put it in my marketplace plugins for Unreal Engine 4.27, and I'm going to rename this whatever I want it, right? I'm going to use the name of the actual application, um, which is this right here. Uh, Now, once I did that, if I run one of my projects, like for example this God of War X project, if I launch it, it says, yeah, that this one I already had the plugin. I had to delete it just to make the example, so I'm just going to click yes. This is going to load the project. And right now we don't have anything. And as I said, the original project is for 4.21 and the one in the marketplace it's for 5.0. So if I go to the plugins and select the GUID, you're going to see it available here. So I'm going to select that and restart. So once uh, the engine has restarted, you can see that the plugin is available over here, right? If I save this, well, it indicates that the plugin is working. I actually tested this before because I have used that in Unreal Engine 5.0, but then I migrated that to Unreal Engine 5.1 and now to 4.27. So hopefully this clarifies a little bit more about the functionality of this application, and hopefully you can um, use it for your own benefit. Now, I haven't tested this for a lot of other stuff or other plugins that contain levels or assets. Uh, but I tested this with the DTGI volume from the RTXGI from Unreal Engine that was available for Unreal Engine 5, and I migrated that to Unreal Engine 5.1. And again, since that it's using the API directly, the plugin is migrated and doesn't give you any errors to install it, but it will probably not execute. So your mileage may vary depending on what you want to migrate. So hopefully that clarifies a lot of things. And if you have any questions, just let me know on the Reddit post. Goodbye.